Hey there, in this video I just want to show you how easy Kittl makes it to create clip art in different styles with different looks. If you're making clip art to sell on Etsy, on your own website, for sublimation designs, whatever, Kittl just makes it super simple to create a whole bunch of different styles of clip art without having to give it really in-depth and detailed prompts. All right, so I just want to show you this morning. I'm going to click on create a new project, and I'm going to make this 300 DPI because that's what we want, and I'm going to make it 3600 by 3600. That's the typical size for clip art. All right, and let me zoom out here so we can see the artboards, and I'm gonna create a few different artboards or canvases basically. All right, let's make a few of them real quick just so I can show you easily. All right, we have a few on there now, that's enough. And what I'm going to do now is click on my Kittl AI over here on the left hand side, and let's give it a simple prompt. Let's have it create a crazy looking cat sitting facing forward with wild looking fur and a happy face. All right, that's not a real in-depth prompt. You know, you could get, if you put this into Midjourney or something other, you know, another AI program, you get some real variations. You know, you may not get what you want. So we're just going to put this rather general prompt in here. We're going to scroll down and we have clip art styles here, and we can pick from watercolor, t-shirt graphic, cartoon, detailed drawing, mascot, kawaii, nursery art, pencil drawing, and pixel art. So the first one I'm going to do is watercolor. Let's see what we get from this. Okay, now that has generated our image. Let's take a look at it. Let's zoom in a little bit. See what we've got here. And now he's kind of cute, right? That's an adorable little cat. All right, now we are going to go back into Kittl. We're going to leave our prompt exactly as it is, and we're going to change the clip art style. Let's do detailed drawing and click this. Okay, that one's completed. Now you see it's the same exact prompt, but our image looks a lot different, right? And Kittl is great for this. You know, you can get so many different looks from the same prompt. Now I'm going to do the t-shirt graphic. Okay, and there's this little guy. He's done. Let's make him a little bigger. Actually, let's move him down here. Let's make him bigger. You can see you got a completely different style now with the t-shirt graphic. And we're going to try another one. Let's do cartoon. Same prompt. We haven't changed anything as far as the prompts go. We're just selecting different styles. Oh, on this one, again, we have a completely different looking cat now. He looks really cute. And let's try another style. Let's do the mascot. All right, now this one is even different again. You can see we've gotten 5 completely different cats and different styles. Just all depends on what we want. Let's try the nursery art. Okay, this little guy is created, and you see this one's more subtle, more for nurseries or kids, which is really cute. And we are going to do, let's get rid of that, move this artboard down, make 2 more artboards so we can look at the last couple. Let's try the Kaiwai. Okay, here's this one, and again you end up with a completely different looking cat, but you know, it all depends on what you're looking for. I just want to show you how easy Kittl makes it to create different styles. Let's check out the pencil drawing. Alrighty, and there we see this one. This one's done in black and white because we chose the pencil drawing style. So I just wanted to show you how you can use the same prompt and get completely different looking images depending on the style you choose. Now we could go and even create a little bit different. Instead of going with clip art, using the same prompt, we could do, let's try photography. It's a completely different style of image that we're looking at now. We're not going to have clip art. Okay, and now you see we have more of a realistic looking cat here. But Kittl just makes it so easy to come up with different variations and different styles. And you can do this in, all the different AI programs. But Kittl just makes it super simple to just click on the style you want, and that's what it gives you. We could even do this in a vector. If you are, if you do, laser engraving CNC, you might want this in line art, vector art, and let's just do a vector art. Okay, and here's this little guy. And this is, really, really good. Now this would be ready for, you download this as an SVG, and it's ready for you to import into your laser software, your Cricut or Silhouette software. You could make cut files with these. You could just do so much with it. But yeah, I just really like how versatile Kittl is, and how you can create so many different styles using the same prompt, just using a click of the button and picking a different style for your image. And you can just do so much with it. Let's do an Art Deco one just because that just looks really fun. Let me make him a little smaller. That's really wild, and it is definitely an Art Deco look. And that's, that would be really useful for some things. It's all up to you. I just love the versatility you get with Kittl and how easy it makes it to change your styles without changing your prompt. If I was doing this in Midjourney, I would have to retype my prompt every time, telling it to give me a different style. But in Kittl, I just click a button and it gives me all the various styles that I am looking for. And then I can go from there and pick which one I like best, and I could make an entire series of clip arts or vector files, within using the same prompt. If I decided I really liked this watercolor cat, okay, well, if I just go back here and click on watercolor, tell it to generate, and I'm not changing the prompt at all. Yeah, without changing the prompt at all, I just ran it as watercolor again. Now we have this other little watercolor cat. And like I said, you could create an entire series or entire bundle of clip art or vector art, you know, based on that one prompt. If you just keep rerunning the same prompt over and over, it's going to give you slight variations, and you could create an entire series. So, you know, this video was just to show you how simple Kittl makes it to do various styles without having to redo your prompt over and over again. Like I said, if I was running this prompt in Midjourney or even ChatGPT or Dolly, I would definitely have to take the time to type in a new prompt every time, because I would have to specify the styles I want. And in Kittl, it's just a click of a button and it gives me what I want. I can even make a pattern. Let's try that real quick. Alrighty, and there it created a cute little pattern, and I did not change the prompt at all. And this should be, let's double check, but this should be a seamless pattern. It's not quite there, I don't think. Oh, there we are. I'm not lining it up properly, but it's not quite seamless. But I didn't plan on using this as a pattern, so I didn't specify. If I specified seamless pattern in my prompt, that's what I would get for sure. But you know, overall, this is just such a fun program, and you can do so much with it. So if you haven't tried Kittl yet, you can use the link below and, you know, try it out for free, see how you like it. I love it. I am using Kittl for almost all of my clip art work and vector work. It creates mock-ups super easy. In fact, I have another video showing how you can do mock-ups in Kittl super quick, super fast. So that's all I wanted to show you today. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll answer them as soon as I can. And I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I'll see you next time.